Good morning, traders. This is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine. Hope you guys are doing well on this fabulous Friday, September 20th, 2019. And we had some trades on the dollar CAD. We got stopped out in that first dollar CAD trade. It went down a little bit lower than I anticipated. But, the trend was up, and so we definitely wanted to stick with that. And so we have a couple of positions in the market right now. I'm just going to go ahead and just close those out. We're up 20 pips. We'll just take that 20 pips right there on one of those positions. Right, and so we'll go ahead and we've got another one that's waiting to go into profit as well. We've got 21 pips on one. I'm going to let that one run. And I know we had a target about one spot 315 or so. And so we'll go ahead and let that run to target, let that continue to run. And I want to say a big hello to Aria. I got to talk to her yesterday in the UK, and she's considering mentorship. And I just wanted to make this video for her, dedicate this training video to her, and look forward to being her coach. Talk to you soon. This is Greg McLeod signing out. Peace and pips.
If you want to learn more about profiting from the Forex market, go to www.theforexcashmachine.com and sign up for a free training webinar. Get the secrets from Greg as he reveals how to earn limitless income. Learn more to earn more.